Okay, this is how you make queso de bola. And this is how you butter it.
May air pocket.
That's how delicious the queso de bola.
Kailangan yung air pocket mo feel.
Queso de bola. Spread. You must use this purpose cream. You need butter. Of course, you need the cheese. And there you go. It's all bottled up. Yum!